Okay, so we're going to look at how to model a cylinder in 3 different ways. So the first thing we can do is simply select cylinder. I'm going to type in 50, type in 50 again. Okay, so we've got a 50 diameter cylinder that's 50 mil tall. Get rid of that. The other thing we can do is create a sketch. So we'll select the XY plane. Using the center point, we'll put a circle. Again, call that 50, giving us the diameter. And we will finish that sketch and extrude it, giving it a height of 50. Okay, exactly the same body is created. The advantage of that is you can change the diameter and the height exclusively there. If you need to go back, we'll just get rid of that. And the other way we're going to look at is create a sketch. Okay, though this time we're going to use the YZ plane and create a rectangle, 2-point rectangle. We're going to select the center point. Now we want the radius on the bottom, so it's going to be half, so 25. We'll press tab. We'll go 50 on the keyboard. That's giving us our height. Click enter. Finish that sketch again. Now if we go up here to revolve, so it should automatically select your profile. If it doesn't, we'll get rid of that. So make sure you're on select profile. Select the face you want. Select the axes. We're going to select this line that goes down to the center point, and then we've created the same cylinder again. Okay, the center point of the bottom of all these cylinders is on the 0 point on the center point of the XY plane, and that's all there is to it for that.